How to fix Wi-Fi issues on iPhone iOS 18.1.1. So if you've recently updated your iPhone to iOS 18.1.1 and are experiencing Wi-Fi issues, then don't worry, you're not alone. So the first thing you should try is restarting your iPhone. Once your iPhone restarts, check if your Wi-Fi is working properly. If that doesn't do the trick, then the next step is to forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. You need to open up your settings and then you need to tap on your Wi-Fi and find your network on the list and then tap the info icon next to it, which will be the eye icon on the right side. Now you can select forget this network and confirm. You can go back to the Wi-Fi settings, select your network and reconnect by entering the password. This often resolves issues like weak connections or authentication errors. If you're still having trouble, it might be time to reset your network settings. Keep in mind this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN configurations, so make sure you have them handy. Now head to the settings and then tap on the general. Scroll down, tap on general. Once you're on your general, you need to scroll down and then you'll find an option of transfer or reset iPhone. You need to tap on it and then go with reset, which will be on the bottom. And then on the bottom again, you'll have reset network settings, which is right here. Tap on reset network settings and then you need to enter your password, confirm, and your iPhone will restart. After it powers back on, reconnect your Wi-Fi and test the connection. And that's it. These steps should help resolve most Wi-Fi issues caused by the iOS 18.1.1 update. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.